Maglinis tayo ng spinach. Palak tawag nila dito. Spinach. Yan. 1 bundle ito. Aywan ko magkano isang bundle. 70 rupees yata. Kung 70 rupees, nasa yan sa Pilipinas. Nasa 10, 20, 50. Nasa siguro, nasa 12 rupees. 12 pesos. Kasi nasa 70 rupees ito eh. So, times 5 kasi dyan. So, nasa minimum 12 pesos. Ewan ko kung magkano ang dyan, spinach. By bundle-bundle yata din dyan. So, ito lilinisin ko. Ito yung lulutuin ko ngayon. Potato with spinach or alo palak. So, ito na yung spinach. Tapos, in-slice ko, then hinugasan 3 times. And then, ito, i-boil. Yun bang, kung sa Ilocano ay ikilnat. Yung, boil sandali. Yan. Pero, tama na ito. Yan. Dito ako magluluto sa sa chimney kasi ubos na naman yung gasol. Pumunta sila kay sa Rawlacut City. Bumili ng kailangan na naman nagpabili ako ng isda. Kung may ulo ng isda para ay ipaksiw ko. So ito lulutuin ko for ulam namin for lunch. Kung makabili sila kayo ng ng isda, di iprito ko. Tapos ito ulam namin for dinner din, lunch at saka dinner kasi na 12 noon na. Yan. Tama na ito. Maggigisa na ako. Now we put na also this garlic. And then I will fry these potatoes. Already half fried these potatoes. Now I can put now these tomatoes and green chilies. And then turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. Now I will put now this half-boiled spinach. And I keep also little for me because I want to cook something. I will add egg here. It's like spinach omelette. Now I will put this one here. Ito na yung potatoes with spinach curry. I cook before here, then I transfer here because I cook rice. Because I want to eat rice. One day I will not eat rice, then it's a very big problem for me. Yun bang parang wala akong energy, yung nanghihina ako pag hindi ako nakakain ng kanin. So, I cook already our bayan for lunch and together with dinner. And then I will make also chapatis. And kung ano yung nabili nila kay na isda, ipiprito ko na lang mamaya. Yan. I keep little spinach and then 1 egg, pinch of black pepper and salt. I put already oil here in pan. Now we have to mix this one here. I remove from, because I cook today spinach with potatoes curry. So this is already half boiled. Now we'll put now this. Then we change after. Kain tayo ng lunch, white rice, and then may isang piraso na fried chicken before yesterday. And then ito na yung spinach with egg. So this is spinach egg omelette.